Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to return on Flipkart and get a refund. So it's a very simple process. So what you have to do is just simply click on your account icon at the bottom bar, then click on your orders. Now choose the order that you want to return, then just simply click on return, and after here just simply choose quality of the product was not expected. So choose that, and after that you will find another option of more details. So just simply choose the option of item is poor quality craftsmanship. Just simply choose that option, then just simply add a comment, and in the comment just simply write need refund, and then just simply click on continue. Now over here you will be asked what you want, replacement, exchange or refund. Just simply choose refund. Now down below you will see how you're going to get the money back. So it can come as a Flipkart gift card wallet, or it can come directly into your bank account if you have used the original payment method. So just simply choose any of the method. Then I'm going to choose original payment method, and then below you will find your billing address. Now all you have to do is just simply click on continue, and then your refund process will begin. So click on submit request. Now the request has been initiated. Now if you go back to the cart, you will see that the order has been returned and the return has also been approved. Now you will see the estimate date of a pickup and the refund. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.